Remedies, or solutions for poor sleep. Following are the remedies or solutions for poor sleep. Right nutrition. Make sure to include these foods in your diet and eat them regularly. Tart cherry juice, twice a day. Walnuts and almonds. Lettuce, spinach, bananas, oranges, sweet potatoes, chickpeas, pineapples, tomatoes, oats, yogurt. Morning exercise or yoga. Consider any of the following exercises. Aerobic, HIIT, cardio, resistance training. It's an added advantage if it is done in the early morning sunlight. Eat at the same time every day, even in weekends. Reduce the overall caffeine or coffee consumption. And try not to consume caffeine after 4 p.m. Identify and avoid food sensitivities. Watch for gluten, dairy, and histamine-rich foods that may cause inflammation or sleeplessness. Don't consume alcohol and nicotine. Get some sunlight during the day, preferably in early morning and evening. Try to keep yourself calm and composed throughout the day. Be conscious throughout the day and try to eliminate the negative emotions. Don't sleep during the day. If you really have a hard time staying awake, you can take a quick nap for no more than 25 minutes, and it's best to do it before early afternoon. Practice meditation, preferably mindfulness meditation. Practice relaxation techniques, preferably progressive muscle relaxation. Drink plenty of water throughout the day. However, stop drinking large amount of liquids at least 90 minutes before bedtime. Maintain a sleep routine. That is, make it a habit to go to bed and wake up at the same time each day, including weekends, as this helps to regulate your circadian rhythm, the body's internal clock. Stay away from exciting things before bedtime, such as watching TV, using your mobile phone, or working on a computer. At least an hour before going to bed. Avoid exercises after 6 p.m. Instead, exercise at 7 a.m. in the morning. Studies show that morning exercises at 7 a.m. is optimal for sleep quality, increasing deep sleep, and reducing blood pressure. Avoid heavy meals at night. Try to keep your meal light. Have gut-friendly foods that make your stomach cool. Avoid processed foods and sugar. Have your dinner at least 90 minutes before going to bed. Keep your bed and bedroom clean and properly organized. Create a relaxing environment in the bedroom at the night. That is, ensure your bedroom is peaceful, dark, and quiet. Make sure there's adequate air circulation. Aim to keep the room temperature between 15.5 to 19.5 degrees Celsius. Use comfortable mattress, blanket, and pillow. Preferably made with natural materials like cotton, linen, and bamboo fabric. Avoid artificial materials like polyester and synthetic fiber. Use diffusing essential oils in the room, preferably lavender or chamomile or marjoram. Take a warm bath before bed. Consume valerian root tea or chamomile tea at the bedtime. Choose the best for you. Try to stay in dark at least 1 hour before going to bed. Relax before sleeping. This might mean reading a book, enjoying calming music, or doing some deep breathing exercises. Doing things that you think are fun and relaxing can help you feel calm and make it easier to fall asleep. As follows, eat one or more fruits and vegetables or snacks before going to bed at least 1 hour earlier. Bananas, sweet potatoes, oranges, chickpeas, pineapple, tomato juice by avoiding sugar, hummus snack, oats, yogurt, warm milk if tolerant. Practice breathing exercises. Try the 4-7-8 method. That is, inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 7 seconds, exhale forcefully for 8 seconds. This cycle must be repeated for a total of 8 rounds. Or, do the alternate nostril breathing for 2 to 5 minutes, to activate the parasympathetic nervous system, and to promote relaxation before bed. Practice Yoga Nidra at bedtime until you fall asleep. It typically involves systematic process of relaxing the body and mind, often including guided body scans, breath awareness, and visualizations. Don't pressure or stress yourself to fall asleep when you're lying on the bed, because it makes the things worse. Importantly, don't lose hope if you don't see results right away. Keep doing these things consistently, for at least 2 weeks, to achieve the best outcome. If nothing else works, consult a sleep therapist.
Sleep is not a luxury, it is a lifeline. There is a quote which goes like this: sleeping at the right time is not a waste of time, but it is a wise and free investment on your mind, body, and soul. Have a great sleep.